today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday mom on the go natural makeup look. So keep watching. So to start out, I always prime my skin, and I'm going in with my Per 4-in-1 Correctional Primer, just massaging that all over my face to give my tinted moisturizer just a good base to stick on. So on the days I don't wear like a full coverage foundation, or really any day I don't have on a full face, I'm really just wearing tinted moisturizer. The kind I'm using right now is Neutrogena. It's basically like a sheer foundation for everyday use. It's supposed to protect your skin, moisturize your skin, and I'm just applying that like I would a foundation. This is not going to give you much coverage. It's really just supposed to even out your skin tone. So this one is actually a buildable coverage, and so I'm just going in here applying a little bit more on my problem spots on my face, recovering from that amazing week out of the month that everybody loves. So I've got a little bit extra blemishes, as you can see. So we're just doing our best to cover those up, but really when I have breakouts like that, I like to just let them breathe. Everybody has it, so let them go. Y'all, I apologize for the lighting. I just could not get it together in this video, so sorry for that. Next, I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer. Once again, just trying to cover up my dark circles and those amazing blemishes that I just don't want to go away. This will also be like a tool to brighten up my face as well, because it looks like my tinted moisturizer seems to be a tad bit dark. Going in with a little bit of translucent powder to set that moisturizer in place and set that concealer so we don't have any slippage or any running throughout the day. Again, using a patting motion rather than a rubbing motion, that way our moisturizer doesn't move. Me just pointing out that amazing blemish that it's just not going anywhere. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of bronzer, just to contour a little bit, nothing major, because this is our natural look. This is what I do every day. Just giving our skin a sun-kissed glow, which is something I obviously don't have. Going in with a little bit of blush as well, just to give our face a little bit of color and life back to it. Now we are going in with my favorite part of my makeup routine, the highlighter. I think the more highlighter the better. I like it shiny, and I probably use way too much. This is completely optional. You do not have to use highlighter, but I love it. Now we are going in with just a thin coat of mascara, just so that our eyes look a little bit more open, since I'm not doing any eyeliner or eyeshadow or anything like that. And we are finishing off this look with just a little bit of a nude lipstick. Just something to get a little gloss on the lips, and that'll be it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more. See you later.